guys, so today we're gonna do a custom set. My customer sent me this inspo picture and she sent me this one. So she just wanted me to swap out that middle finger and put it on the pointer finger of these ones. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So for the base, I'm gonna be using Nude Beach and Ciao Bella. And then I'm going to be using this just white gel polish from Amazon. It's a really good one. I believe I already have it linked in my storefront. And then this was what it's going to look like. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick how I went in and did that. I did 1 coat of Nude Beach and then 2 of Ciao Bella on top. And then I did the white color. And this white is so pigmented and it doesn't turn yellow or anything like that. So if you're in need of a white that's affordable, this one is really good. And it's just a gel polish from Amazon. So I'll definitely make sure it's linked down in my Amazon storefront. And then you guys can go ahead and get it. It's awesome. Color Ciao Bella is just a really pretty, like, what's the word, like a milky pink. So it's kind of like muting that nude, so it's not super nude, because the Nude Beach is like, it's a very nude color. And then if you look back in the inspo picture, it's more of like a pinky nude, and of course I was out of like my favorite one, so I went ahead and tried that, and I think it turned out so perfect. And you guys will see what they look like on her. She sent me the prettiest pictures of these nails. Oh my gosh. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Wait till the end, watch this video through, and definitely make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, let me know how you like this video. Let me know what you guys like to see. Do you guys like to see custom requests, ready to ship sets? Do you guys just like tutorials on like one nail, ombre? Like, what do you guys mostly like to see? I have a lot coming, and I just want to make sure that you guys are getting what you need out of my channel. I definitely want to teach a lot, so let me know. Also, this black right here, best pot gel I've ever used, but I can't get it anymore because the company Medusa, they basically are a wholesale brand. They sent me a lot of these so that I could try them out, but yay, I love them so much. So they're basically a wholesale brand, and the only way to get them is if I buy wholesale, which I don't need that right now. So if anybody can point me in the direction of a really good black pot gel, please let me know, because if you could see like these lines right here, that gel ain't going nowhere, and it's so pigmented. Like the smallest line you'll be able to see, like especially when I do the design nail. Oh my gosh, like I just love these pot gels, and I'm totally out of my black and my white. So if anybody can point me in the direction of where I can get some really good pot gels, let me know, please. Okay, y'all, do you ever have like that French that's going so good and then you mess up? Yeah, that bothers me so much, but it's really easy to fix, so don't freak out. And I honestly, I don't really use a cleanup brush. I personally prefer to just clean the whole thing off and restart. I just feel like a cleanup brush is going to take me way too long, and I'm going to try to get that line perfect and blah blah. So I'd rather just restart. So yeah, just really quick, I left that in there because, you know, life happens, things happen. I messed up. So yeah, I just erased it really quick with an alcohol wipe, and then I'm gonna go back in and just fix it. So this cute design right here, you guys are gonna see how amazing this black gel is. So like I said, if you use anything similar and your pot gel is like so pigmented and it does not move, please put me on, because like I'm at the very end of this pot right now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out because I have nothing. But yeah, so just look at how cute this design comes out. I've never done this in my life. Like, I have so much, you guys, that's going to be coming starting January that I've never done, and I just want to try really bad. And then I also have stuff that I feel like I am so good at and I always do, and I could teach you guys how to do, and I just can't wait for that. So yeah, definitely, if you are still here and you are still watching and you are learning anything from my channel or just like the vibe here, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I am going to be having videos weekly, possibly more. It just really depends on how much I can get out, how fast I can get it out. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be recording everything, every step that I do. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Okay, so this next design was super easy. I'm really just going off of the picture from the beginning, so I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and watch, and then I will chime in whenever I feel I need to. And then again, if you have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave it down below for me so that I can answer them for you. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how this set was made, and then I will show you guys the final product. Hi, I'm already chiming in. So really quick, whenever I show you guys all of the nails like this, I have just cured whatever nail that I was working on. Just so you know, I am curing in between each little design because I'm going to be adding multiple colors onto each nail. So yeah, like everything that is on this stand right now is already cured. So definitely be sure to cure in between, so that way you're not mixing colors or anything, because we're doing a double colored V-tip, and then that the ring fingernail is also going to have a design. I believe it's the flag. So yeah, definitely make sure that you are curing in between each layer, and then yeah. as you guys can see, I am using the gel polish white for the V-tip, which I don't love because it's not a thick consistency for nail art. I'm out of my white. Like I said, I was at the very end and I couldn't get any more white out of it. Like, it turned out really good, don't get me wrong. It took a little more like effort, I guess you could say, because the gel polish and the pot gels are a different consistency. So when you're working with gel polish, it's a little more runny, it's a little like thicker, or well, the lines are a little bit thicker, so you can't make like super smooth, super tiny lines. So yeah, I'm just going in really quick with the other side of the V-tip, and I just wanted to show you guys, like, you can do a French with regular gel polish, definitely. It just takes a little more. So if you're struggling with French tips and you haven't found a good pot gel, definitely try. I'm also on the lookout, like I said previously, I'm on the lookout for new pot gels that I'm not going to have to purchase in bulk. So that way, you know, you guys can learn how to do a French tip, and it's super easy, super quick, and the lines are just like, they just flow when you have the right pot gel. So now I'm going in with my primary red from Medusa, and I am going to be drawing a triangle. Again, I've never really drawn like flag nails, so I was super excited when my customer asked me for these, and I was just so happy that I could give her the custom request that she wanted. Yeah, they turned out exactly how she wanted. So again, so happy, and I'm just happy that I recorded these too so I could show you guys how it was done. And then yeah, I am definitely going to show you guys all of the pictures and little videos that she sent me, and just show you guys like how pretty these were on. And that's basically it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And then really quick, of course, I use Beetles Gel Polish Top Coat. Again, all of that, if it is able to be purchased on Amazon, it will be linked in my storefront. I am trying to update all of my like descriptions and storefront and all of that stuff as we go. So definitely keep checking back if you don't see something, or if it's not there and you want to get it like ASAP. Just leave me a comment down below and I will quickly try to link that. I just currently have 2 different Amazon accounts, so I've been trying to I've been having to go back and forth to link stuff, so I'm trying to get all of that situated as well. But yeah, definitely go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront and get you guys some nail supplies, and let's make nails together all 2024. So yeah, this is what the nail turned out like, and this is what the full set looked like when I was completely done. All I had to do here was finish file and box them, and then I'll show you guys what they look like applied. Okay, so this is what they look like applied. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh, I was just so happy that I could deliver these to her. She has been the sweetest customer ever, and yeah, she always sends me pictures and videos of her nails, and I'm just so happy that I happened to record these, and then I'm able to show you guys what they look like applied. And just look at how gorgeous my customer is. Oh my gosh. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things for me. Bye guys.